Alright, I'm out in the garage still working on the leading edge slat brackets, part 7V4-5. What I've done is the jig that I showed previously worked out well. I marked that my 7V4-5 slat jig. And I'm going to show, I cut all these 120 millimeters and then I put lines on them per the design, per the drawing, 20, then 16, 19, 19, 16, and 30. The reason I have this one left over is because you're supposed to cut this way into the holes. And I just picked it up off the bench and I started cutting it, and you can see the little cut right there. So that's going to be go in the oops pile. Wasted 120 millimeters of angle, but this is the one that replaced it. So that's what it looks like bent. I took the 7V4-5, put it on my jig. It's stationed on the jig. Then I put it level on the jig, like so, like this. Of course, with 7V4-5 in place. So it goes on like that, just snubbed up to that, clamped. Then I make an outline of where 7V4-5 goes so that I could get my holes, all 6 holes, for this little tool to fall in place and catch in between them. So I've gone ahead and done all of them. They're done, they're complete. I'll show them in a second. I've got them down here, but what I'm doing now is I'm going through and I'm drilling them out for an A4 rivet. So this one's all cleaned out. I've deburred it. Everything's been deburred. I took the protective film out of this. It's been deburred. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this together the way it's supposed to be, and I'm going to put my rivets in it. So I'm going to start off right here. My first one, Clico. Easier if I get it into that first. Then it goes into there. That's like that. And this comes down here. And we'll all get squeezed together nice. I'm going to show the one so I can at least show finished product of what I'm building here. They're kind of spring-loaded, so to speak. For some reason it does not want to go down on there. That's because that's no good. Yeah, I've got that on upside down. That will start out. That little bugger's got to go like that. That'll make things a lot easier. See, you've seen me making a mistake, finding my mistake, and fixing my mistake. There. Now that that's on there correctly, oh yeah, looks like it might actually line up a lot better. I don't usually videotape myself, and I'm not hurrying. I'm actually going to pump the brakes here. Just don't want to burn video. I just kind of want to get a video so I can capture some photos of what's going on. So anyways, there's that put together. Of course, this will be the front. It'll this will go to the wing spar. And then this is number 6, so it's on the end of the wing. And this is where the leading edge slats will attach to the wing. They are on 6. They're on 1, 3, 4, and 6. So now I'm going to just grab a video and I'll show what I've done here. So you can see that one's in place. That one's on standby because I have to drill them. And I've just got this one in place here also. So I'll get some photos when it's done.